In this video, you'll learn how to increase the leverage on Bitget, a popular crypto and seed trading platform. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust your leverage settings effectively to enhance your trading experience. Begin by navigating to the Bitget Exchange website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Bitget. Once the page loads, ensure you see the homepage clearly displaying various trading options and features. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Beyond Crypto. This section is typically highlighted on the homepage and will direct you to more advanced trading tools. After clicking, you should see a list of different trading options, including futures trading. After that, select the futures option from the available trading choices. This will take you to the futures trading interface where you can engage in contracts for future delivery of cryptocurrencies. Once the futures page loads, look for more specific trading options. Then click on the USDTM futures. This selection will direct you to a list of available futures contracts denominated in USDT. You should see various trading pairs, including BTC, using Bitcoin against Tether. Now, find and click on the trade button associated with the BTC USDT pair. This action will open the trading interface for Bitcoin futures, displaying price charts, order types, and leverage settings. Ensure that you are on the correct trading interface before proceeding. Continue by selecting the 10x option, which sets your leverage to 10 times your initial investment. This will allow you to amplify your trading position significantly. After confirming your selection, a confirmation message will appear to indicate that the leverage has been set. Next, click on Adjust Leverage. A warning message will pop up informing you that adjusting the leverage will affect all positions and pending orders. It is important to understand the implications of this change before proceeding. Then click on the BTC USDT trading pair once more to ensure you are in the right context for adjusting leverage. After confirming the selection, you will see the leverage settings displayed prominently. Now, click on the leverage option to view the current leverage settings. This will present you with a slider or buttons to adjust the leverage amount. Make sure the interface reflects the correct trading pair before making changes. After that, click the up arrow to increase the leverage to your desired leverage value, updating accordingly. Take a moment to confirm that the new leverage reflects your trading strategy. Next, you will see an option to batch adjust all USDT and futures leverages. Click on this to modify leverage settings for multiple positions simultaneously. Be aware that batch adjustments are subject to specific limits. Proceed by clicking on batch leverage adjustment. This will allow you to configure leverage settings for all selected futures contracts. A confirmation screen will typically appear to summarize your changes. Then click on confirm to adjust the default leverage for all USDTM futures. This is crucial as it finalizes your batch adjustments. Review your selections carefully before you confirm. A message will inform you that the maximum leverage for batch adjustment is 20x. This reminder is essential to ensure that you are aware of the platform's leverage limits. Additionally, you will see a message stating that you can only batch change the leverage for futures with no open positions or orders. This is an important consideration to avoid unintended consequences. Next, click on Confirm to finalize your adjustments. This action will implement the changes you have selected across your futures positions. Finally, click on Confirm once more to complete the leverage adjustment process. Once this is done, your new leverage settings will be applied and you will be able to trade with the updated parameters. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.